Assalamu alaikum beta, how are you? Hope so everyone is fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. But as you know that we have done tenses, whether it's active voice and passive voice. So we are going to do the revision again of these tenses. Today the topic of discussion is present continuous tense, and we are going to do the passive voice of this tense. In passive voice, object is the actor and the performer, and let I describe the structure of passive voice of present continuous tense. Whenever you have to build the passive voice of present continuous tense, firstly you have to find the object of the active sentence. What is the object in the sentence? Firstly, we will find object. After that, there are the three helping verbs that represents to the continuous: is, am, are. According to the object, one of them will be chosen. Is, are, am. If our subject is singular, then we will choose is. If our subject is plural, then we will choose are. So after is, are, am, we have to choose first form of verb plus ing first form. Be is the first form of verb that we have assumed just for the sake of continuous tense. Be plus ing, being, that represents to the passive voice of present continuous tense. Then past participle of the verb. Past participle mean third form of verb plus by plus subject of the active sentence. Look at the examples. In active sentence or in active voice, I am reading a story. I is a subject, am is a helping verb that is just used just for the sake of I. And after is, am, are, we have to use first form of verb plus ing, then object. So I is a subject, am is a helping verb, reading first form of verb plus ing, a story. This is the object, then full stop. So come toward the passive voice. According to the structure, we have to build the passive voice. What is the object in this sentence? A story. A story is a object. So in passive voice, object will come at the start of the sentence. A story. There is one story. That's why we are going to use here is. A story is being. After is, am, are, there must be the first form of verb plus ing that represents to the continuous tense. So we have assumed here be is as the first form of verb plus ing. So this is called being. A story is being read. Read is a past participle, third form of verb that is used in passive voice, whether it's affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. In passive voice, we only have to use the third form of verb. Then by, then subject. But in the place of the subject, we can say that we cannot write here I. There will be the objective case. Me is a objective case. I, me, mine. Mine is a possessive case. So we cannot choose here mine. We will choose only objective case after by. In next sentence, the engine is driving the train. The engine, this is the subject, is, this is the helping verb that is used just for the sake of continuous tense, and engine is only one. Driving, first form of verb plus ing, the train, this is the object. So while converting it into passive voice, object will come at the start of the sentence, just like the train, this is the object of the sentence. So the train is only one, so that's why we will choose is helping verb. After is, there is a first form of verb plus ing that is being, driven by the engine. Driven is a past participle, by the engine, this is the subject, then full stop.